Department of Justice allow any attorney to serve as a temporary immigration judge. The Department of Justice has announced a new rule that allows any attorney, not just those with the immigration law experience, to be appointed as a temporary immigration judge. So what does this mean for immigrants, due process, and the already backlogged court system? So first of all, what the rule says, Department of Justice now has the authority to appoint any licensed attorney as a temporary immigration judge for renewable 6 months terms. This removes the prior requirement that the temporary judges have substantial immigration law experience. The Department of Justice argues that attorneys from other fields can transition successfully and that legal expertise in immigration is not always essential. So why Department of Justice made this change? The immigration court backlog is staggering. Over 3 million cases are pending nationwide. By broadening the pool of eligible judges, the Department of Justice hopes to speed up the hearings and reduce delays. The agency points to past examples where lawyers from other practice areas became effective judges after training. What we can say that why advocates are concerned is immigration law is often described as one of the most complex areas of U.S. law, even more complicated than tax law. Critics say appointing judges with little or no background in immigration could lead to inconsistent or mistaken rulings, undermine due process protections for immigrants, worsen rather than improve the backlog if inexperienced judges slow down cases. So the rule represents a dramatic shift in how immigration courts are staffed. It reflects a tension between trying to move cases faster and ensuring that justice is fair and accurate. For immigrants facing life-challenging decisions, the expertise of the judges really matters. So while the Department of Justice says this rule will help reduce delays, many immigration advocates believe it puts fairness and due process at risk, and time will tell whether this challenge actually helps clear the backlog or creates new problems in this immigration system. I hope today's news helped our follower and have a great day. This is attorney Ogmen.